plus 3 equals 6.
3 plus 3 equals 6. Oh, that's a good one. Does anybody else know one? Hadley.
5 plus 1 equals
5 plus 1 equals 6. Oh, that's good too. What's another one? Zach.
4 plus 2.
4 plus 2 equals 6. Is there anyone else? Landon.
7 minus 1.
Oh, we've got a minus 1. Let's do 7 minus 1 equals 6. Oh, that was a good one. I like that. Jonah.
6 plus 0 equals 6.
6 plus 0 equals 6. Those are all true. Now, let's count together to see what our 10 frames look like if we make 6. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So what do we notice about this? It fills up
6.
what? It fills up what? Does it fill up the whole 10 frame?
No.
It fills up how many?
Half.
Clayton? It fills up half of one 10 frame and then one more. What's half of one 10 frame? What if I took that away? How much would that be? How much is this? 5, right? So that's 5. So when 5 plus 1 equals 6. Thank you. Okay, right now.
In case you know, there's 6, 6, 6.
Why do we think that as we go down, thank you, Renzo, you can take a seat. Why do we think as we go down it stays a 6 on that side? Does anybody have any ideas? What do you think, Zach?
Because if you count on, there's a 6 at the top, then it goes all the way down. And when you count down, it's in the same place.
Because our ones place doesn't change when we count by tens. That's why. So let's count by tens from 6. Are we ready? 6, 16, 26, 36, 46, 56, 66, 76, 86, 96, 106. We can stop there. So, we can stop there, which means we're going to stop there, okay? Even if we can keep going in our head. So, we know that our 6 does not change when we count by tens because it's in the ones place. So, how would we build the number 6? What type of blocks do I need? Do I need any of these to build the number 6?
No.
How about any of these?
Yes.
I need these?
Yes.
What is this? What is this? Hadley, thank you for raising your hand. This is a 10 stick. So how many is this worth?
10.
So if I wanted one of these to make 6, and I start at 10, is 10 bigger or smaller than 6?
Bigger.
Bigger, right? Wouldn't you rather have 10 cookies than 6 cookies? I would rather have 10 cookies because then I can save some for later, right?
Too much sugar.
But then you could save it for later and you could share with friends, okay? So you'd rather have $10 than $6, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So do we need one of these to make 6?
Yes.
How can we make 6 with this? What are you thinking, Lizzie?
Because that's 5 and then
How much is this?
5.
What did we call this? We called this a what stick?
10.
So how much is it worth? No, we called it a what? Let's count. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
so do we need this?
No.
No, we can't use that. So what do we need? We need our what? What are they called? Ones. How many ones do we need to make the number 6? How many ones do we need to make the number 6? Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So, what places goes in our ones place?
6.
What's going to go in our tens place?
5.
How much is in our tens?
0.
0. What about in our hundreds?
0.
0 So 0. So we have 6 in our ones place. So we have how many ones? 6 ones, right? Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can make 6 cents. Okay, so let's review our coins really quickly. What's this coin? What's this coin called right here?
Quarter.
It's called a what?
Quarter.
What's this called?
Dime. Nickel. Penny.
How much is a quarter worth?
25.
How much is a dime? How much is a nickel? How much is a penny? So, now, you guys told me up there that this was how many on just this side? So what coin do we know is worth 5 cents? Not right now, Jonah. What coin do we know is worth 5 cents, Layla? A nickel. So Layla says, we know we need a nickel. Because a nickel is worth 5 cents. So we're going to write 1 in our 5-cent column. So if we have 1 nickel, that's 5 cents. How many do we need now? Alice?
A penny.
Why 1 penny? Why do we need a penny, Alice?
Because it's worth 1 cent.
Because it's worth 1 cent, and 5 plus 1 equals what? So we have 1 nickel and 1 penny, and that equals how many cents?
6.
Now, who knows how to write 6 cents? Who knows how to write 6 cents? Let's see. Renzo, you're a math guy. How do you write 6 cents? Write it up here. How do you write 6 cents? Write it right here in this blank spot.
6 cents. So I need to write how big that is. How big that is.
No, here, go sit in your seat. Does anybody know how to write 6 cents? Let me grab a different marker for somebody else to use. Let's see. Do you want to try, Clayton? Come up and write 6 cents right here. Write it right here. 6 cents.
Oh.
How would we write 6 cents?
I can't see.
Well, he'll get
be
out of the
able to
way.
see when he gets done.
Okay, that's a cent, but hold on, you didn't really write that in the right spot. I want you to write it. I wish we had a blank. Let's write 6 cents right here. Whoops. Write 6 cents. Show me how to write that. I think we need to call, do we need to call a friend to help? Okay, call a friend. Pick a friend, Clayton. Quickly. Okay, Layla, see if you can write 6 cents for me. Now, I know you didn't learn money in 1st grade, so we didn't learn money in 1st grade, right? So maybe some of us did at summer school. We didn't learn money in 1st grade. So just do your best. But guys, let's not raise our hand unless we know, okay? Or unless we think we know.
I do.
6, and then what comes? How do you write a cent sign? Perfect. So Layla wrote one way to do 6 cents, and it looks like this. It's a 6 with a cent. And I'm going to make a little thing right here for us to write our cents. Now, does anybody know another way to write 6 cents? Lizzie, do you know?
I only know how to do
Okay.
that.
We didn't know how to do it a second ago, so I'm going to show you guys the other way. If I write 6 cents, I could also write it like this, okay? I could put a dollar sign right here. How many dollars are in 6 cents? Are there any dollars in 6 cents?
No.
No, so I put a 0 in the dollars place. Now, 6 cents. Let's see, this we could think of as like our hundredths. This we could think of as our tens, and this our ones. What did we say went in our ones place? What goes in our ones place? Everybody.
6.
What goes in our tens place? Nevaeh? 0. So this is the other way to write it. We have 2 ways that we can write 6 cents. We can write 6 cents, or we can write 6 cents. Okay? And as we learn money, we're going to learn those facts. Right? All right. So,
I just lost.
what was your question?
Tally marks down to 6.
We did our tally marks already, but thank you. We already did those. Okay, so we're going to do one last thing while we're still at the carpet. We're going to practice counting up want by 2. So I'm hoping that if I point to the number, you guys can do it with me. Let's start at 2. 2, 4. Now, some of you guys are going to want to keep going. Should you say the number until I point at it?
No.
No. So if I'm not pointing at it, should you say anything?
No.
Okay, so let's try it.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
Oh, what's this number?
12, 13, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30.
Now, do you notice anything strange about?
I said 30.
What was something strange? Anyone notice a pattern, maybe?
Yeah.
What? What
Um,
pattern
well-
was there, Clayton?
Whenever you're on 2, it counts up to farther than 2, and it keeps going on from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
So
But
the end of our number always ends in a 2, a 4, a 6, an 8, or a
10.
what is that?
0.
0. So I'm going to put my pointer on a random number, and I want you to tell me if we counted by 2, starting at 2, if we'd ever hit that number.
6.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Oh, perfect.
Why would we have landed on that number? How do we know? Because it ends in what? 6. Do you know what we call that?
What?
An even number.
I know we learned that in first grade.
Yeah, but a lot of us forgot when we went to take our pre-test. So we're going to try and do those drills so we remember. I'm going to put my finger on another one. I want you to tell me, will we have that one? 37. Up or down? You got to be able to tell me why. Why? Why, Jonah?
Because it's not an even number.
It's not an even number. It ends in a 7. 7's not even.
No, but
Okay. Listen for instructions, okay? Whenever I tell you to go to your seat, you're going to go to your seat. You're going to get out your login sheet on your way to your seat. You're going to log into iReady. You're going to do your math diagnostic. Okay. That's it. Sit down. Did I give you any instructions? So whenever I tell you, you're going to stand up. You're going to go to your bin. You're going to get out your what? Nevaeh?
Your password thing.
Login sheet. After you get your login sheet, you're going to go to your desk and you're going to do what, Lizzie?
We're gonna log in.
And get on iReady Math. Any questions?
No.
Okay, my back row back there, starting with Weston and ending with Alice. Grab your login sheet.
Wait, Miss, I want
Will you turn that off? Will you hit the stop button, please?